272,000 people. That's how many people are part of the Facebook group Red Tag Ricky. This Facebook group is a deal and sales group where people buy products posted by the creators. And although Facebook doesn't pay the creators of this free group, the creators have found a monetization strategy that pays them well. We're talking quit their jobs and run the Facebook group full-time within 1 year well. In this video, we will explain how Facebook groups can be a massive passive income opportunity, how you can get started with making money with free Facebook groups, and why Red Tag Ricky is a secret gem of Facebook groups that anyone can emulate. And who knows, maybe you'll learn how to make the next six-figure group of your own. If you're interested in learning how money is made in the oddest ways, give us a sub, a like, and if you're really odd, a comment. Now let's get to the red bread. Red Tag Ricky started in October of 2019 as a simple way to pass the time. As you may have guessed, one of the creators is named Rick, but the group was started by Rick's wife, Janine. Janine wanted to share some of the deals and discounts that she found online from retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Friends and family were some of the group's first members, but what started as a side project grew quickly. And as fast as the group grew, so did the dollar signs in the thrifty couple's bank account. Rick and Janine post daily to ensure that new deals would be at the top of members' news feeds. This requires a lot of time since Janine and Rick would have to search the internet for sales to keep the group active. With COVID dominating 2020 and their new group gaining popularity, Rick and Janine had to make a decision. Just like you have to decide to like this video and subscribe for more odd money ideas. Hint, hint. The question became, did Rick and Janine want to take a chance on an uncertain new venture or abandon the group altogether? They chose the former, and it paid off big time. We wanted to know how they make money in a Facebook group that's free. And furthermore, can anyone do the same thing Red Tag Ricky has done? So we dug a bit deeper. Remember how we said the group started for friends and family? Well, to get members outside of their circle, Rick and Janine told members to invite their friends and family to the group, and in exchange, they would get a chance to win prizes, like AirPods or $150 Amazon gift cards. And who doesn't love a prize or a deal? We know we do, which is why you may be in for a surprise bonus at the end, so stick around. Having a group with tons of members is excellent, but not so great if you can't monetize from it, especially if you decide to quit your job like Rick and Janine chose to do. So how does the group make money? Red Tag Ricky makes money by promoting products in the Facebook group that have a deal associated with them. Usually posting deals from Amazon, Walmart, or Target, Rick and Janine use the retailer's affiliate program to cash in. Affiliate programs are designed for people to promote products, and when those promotions lead to a sale, the person who promoted the product gets a commission. The best part is that anyone can sign up for these programs. Rick and Janine post about 100 times a day, and each post contains a link. Those links are affiliate links, and as members click on those links, they make a part of the sale. So if we assume that the average order value is an estimated $20 and the commission on a $20 sale is 5%, you'd make $1. But if you multiply that by thousands of sales per day, it adds up. What's even more unique about this particular method is that Rick and Janine don't allow members to post in their group. Only Rick and Janine can post in the group, which creates a controlled environment for Rick and Janine to capitalize on. One would think that because members can't post, the group would not be as active, but actually it's the opposite. The group is thriving with activity. Most posts have thousands of likes and hundreds of comments of people either tagging other members to view the deal, which promotes more sales, or comments saying people bought the deal, which again encourages more sales. It's actually quite genius. Rick and Janine created a feedback loop of people looking for deals, buying deals, and then tagging friends and family members to view the deal they just bought. And remember, each time a deal is bought, Rick and Janine get a piece of the pie. Rick and Janine tag each post with the month and the day the deal was posted to keep the group organized. So when members want to see the deals of the day, they click on the tag and voila! All the deals for the day are curated for their viewing pleasure. Rick and Janine make even more money because affiliate programs often state that the promoter of the link gets a commission for the initial promotion and gets commissions for any extra products purchased within 24 hours, even if they didn't promote those other products. And with 272,000 people part of the group, it's safe to say that Rick and Janine are doing pretty well for themselves. Of course, you can emulate Rick and Janine and reverse engineer what they have done, but we thought it might be better to give you some ideas on how you can make a somewhat different version that still makes tons of money. As we were doing our research for this video, we noticed that some of the most popular posts in Red Tag Ricky relate to pet items or baby items. We think that's a clear indicator that you could create your own version that posts only baby or pet deals instead of posting random things like this. Follow Rick and Janine's lead by inviting friends and family first, and then run contests to incentivize members to invite their friends and family to the group. New moms and pet owners spend excessive amounts of money on their bundles of joy, so with the proper deal creation, we're sure that you can make a decent sized penny. You could even start off by using some of the same deals that Red Tag Ricky posts, and then branch off once you get a good sized community. Start with Amazon, Walmart, and Target affiliate programs, or go a step further by Googling Best Pet Affiliate Programs or Best Baby Affiliate Programs to get access to other products worth promoting. In any case, we recommend joining the Red Tag Ricky Facebook group and seeing how they operate so you can learn from their group firsthand. Now time for a bonus. One thing Red Tag Ricky isn't doing is collecting emails upon the entry of the Facebook group. This is a massive missed opportunity since Red Tag Ricky technically doesn't own the members, Facebook does. So if Facebook were to shut down the group, Rick and Janine would have to start from scratch, and worst of all, they would lose out on their newfound money printer. To combat this from happening, you can use a tool called Group Convert. Group Convert allows you to ask for members' emails before entering the group, and you can then store those emails on a Google Sheet file or send them to your email software of choice. Use a tool like ActiveCampaign to store the emails and send out email automation campaigns to ensure your members see the new deals in the Facebook group or email exclusive deals. We produced a free training on this process, which can be found in the description of this video. Once you own the list, you can promote any product to list members, including your own products, which is another way to monetize. Of course, to make this work, you will need to find new deals every day and post actively in the group. But we think you can make a small fortune if you take this seriously. If you guys like this video, maybe share it with someone, subscribe, and if you want an even odder way to make money, click on this video or stay common forever. Peace out.